Racing just is started. We have new down break quickly at a start call Harbor talaga. And Orias at Eternity see that is running by the hold that cat moving up Peter's denial play the music while Mutia ng Pasig is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Cole Harbor by about 2 lengths. Eternity in second. Then comes talaga running by the release that play the music. New Dawn hold that cat alongside. Then comes Mutya ng Pasig while Peter's denial now racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Cole Harbor maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Eternity in second. You see that is running by the rail. Third play the music. New Dawn Mutya ng Pasig. Then comes hold that cat. Peter's denial while talaga now racing in less than at the far turn. We have Cole Harbor maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Eternity now trying to get closer in second. See that remains in third. Mutya ng Pasig. New Dawn hold that cat. Play the music. Peter's denial and talaga as they swing for home. We have Cole Harbor this time now racing away by about 8 lengths, followed by Eternity in second. Last 50 meters, it's all Cole Harbor, and finally it's Cole Harbor. The second is Eternity. See that Mutya ng Pasig, New Dawn, hold that cat, play the music, Peter's denial and talaga.
Sino yung panlima?